Hello brothers and sisters, I would like to unbox and show you my new Vacheron Constantin watch. The watch is a Vacheron Constantin OverSeas dual time from 2016, and let's start the unboxing. You see, this is the outer box paper, and this is really not the common box style we used to get. This is a high box. Okay, Vacheron Constantin and the cross written on it, and you can open it like this, and here you go. You can see the watch at the beginning over a glass, and this is the inner box. Okay, this is a wooden box. This is very unique and very nice. If you see below the Vacheron Constantin and the cross, there are handwritings what gives a beautiful touch of the box. I hope you see. It's a wooden box. And let's go deeper. Okay, open it. And here is the watch. But first, let's see what is inside. Here is a travel case. So smart and clever. Travel case. This is leather. Okay. You can take your watch in it. For example, Vacheron Constantin, Genève, cross, and the inside stuffs. One of the most interesting and nice thing about Vacheron is this fantastic passport. What is the warranty card? But this is really a passport. As I know well, this passport is made with the same technology and at the same factory where the Swiss passports are made. So you see, the cross is everywhere, printed. Here is a holographic inner paper and warranty card, braille, and the text of the papers. Okay, there is a Our Club invitation card. I stamped the foils at the back of it. This is the back part. Just like a real passport. Fantastic. Never seen this with any other watches. Okay, there is a pen drive with the user manual, some clothes, the watch comes with this nice alligator leather strap with a butterfly clips as well. Very nice. But I changed it and I put a nice stainless steel strap, the Vacheron strap, sorry, bracelet on it. So let's focus on the timepiece now. Here we go. 42mm case. You see power reserve, day and night indicator. This is the dual time, and that is the date hand. And check the bracelet. So nice. The back case. There's a nice ship, a frigate on it. The watch, of course, this is a Vacheron in-house caliber, but if I knew well, the base is a Jaeger-LeCoultre movement, so we cannot complain with the accuracy of the movement. The bezel is titanium, the case is stainless steel, the bracelet is stainless steel too. And the two crown, one will set the time, and you can move the dual time with that, of course. And the day and night indicator. The other is a quick push button for the date setting. Okay, it's screw in, of course, both, because this watch is 150-meter water resistant. Look the dial. It's a beautiful gray and a little bit sunburst gray, so it's plays in the light. As you may know, this piece, or the OverSeas line, is the part of the Holy Trinity, as we call it in the watch fam, the watch life, with the Patek Philippe Nautilus and the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. And the third is the Vacheron Constantin OverSeas. It's a very, very elegant, very unique piece. I love it. Now let's see a wrist check. Here we go. So not a big, not an oversized watch. Really a dress watch for me. Look at that bracelet. So cool. So hope you like it. See you later.